You want to know what the best part about owning a motorcycle is? Best part of owning a motorcycle is the fact that it's never over. There's always something. You never go, I'm happy. There's always like, you know what? How did I go from a garage, a full lift, and a rolly chair to my backyard and a milk crate? Apparently it might happen again soon. But for now, here we are. The majority of my roller cart is now in this thing spiff. When making a roller cart, but the most important, most used things on the very top is that's what's in here. I just scooped. So when we were moving into the new house, I found a box of a couple of extra parts that I forgot that I had gotten for the JMP cycle build. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on real quick so we can go for a ride and we can chat, I guess. I remember when me and Spiff were putting everything on in his yard, we didn't have enough hardware for something that he got me a bunch of hardware that's been sitting in the pocket of my vest. Now I don't know what it's for anymore. I hope he does. Yeah, somehow I got thousands of dollars worth of parts from JMP Cycles to put on this thing, and I'm still not satisfied. Now I don't know how to be satisfied. When it comes to motorcycles, it's always something else. I mean, the paint job goes a very long way when it comes to motorcycles, but it's just so many parts and so much effort sometimes. It's Arlenette's selector switch and Arlenette's foot pegs. Do I not have a knife on me? What do you need a Rambo knife for? Because you always need a knife! It doesn't matter how big the knife is, but you always need a knife. Since everything for Harley only comes in chrome or in black, and this is a Frankenstein motorcycle, the new paint scheme, or the new color scheme for the Franken 48 is chrome and black. Don't forget, boys and girls, if you ride a Harley, put Loctite on it. And everything. I'm amazed that they don't tell us to put Loctite on the gas cap every time you thread it back on. Always put it away for safety, but also so you can pull it out and feel cool again every time you need to use it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to fast forward through this next section of this video because we have reached the part of the ride where we have to face my arch nemesis, the snap ring. So, listen to the soothing music. God, sucker! Suck it! I don't know how long it took me to do the one. All I know is that it was drastically too long. I'll figure out in after and post it was this long. Hopefully we can get the other side done in half the time, which is still going to be too long. This is literally a 5 to 10 minute job. It's taking me way longer. Whoa, fall. It might also be a good idea to have a backup because that's not what that's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be flat and together and uniform. Okay, flip. There you go, bud. That's what it's supposed to look like. No! Help me look. Come on, help me look. Well, that's not coming back. All right, so we got good news, we got bad news, and I feel like you know what the bad news is. The good news is that my stupid put the spring plate on the other side that I already finished on wrong, so I'm gonna have to take off the freaking snap ring off anyways. So I'm gonna use that snap ring that I didn't lose in the grass over there to go to Home Depot and grab more snap rings. So once they come together, you're supposed to put on there so it closes. Ah! Hate you, snap rings! Freaking hate you! See what I mean? What was once a 20-minute thing, maybe an hour of like doing little things, other things, like, it's now turned into half my day, a couple of miles of driving. I'm like, I just wanted to put those freaking foot pegs on and then go for a ride and have a talk and make a metal vlog, things I haven't done in a while. But no, now it's just all about this stupid thing, which is gonna live in my mouth until I get to freaking Home Depot because I'm so scared of losing it. Oh yeah, somewhere in the middle of all this, I acquired a car on accident. My sister bought a new one. They weren't offering her much for this thing, so she gave it to me. So, it's a novelty. Like, remember when you first got your motorcycle and it was a novelty and you rode it everywhere for every little thing that you could? I haven't had a car for so long that it's like, hoo-hoo, I get to drive a car. And as always, taking the interstate was a terrible idea. I don't know why I do this. I know better. It's Sunday. I mean, like, football season's over, right? But at the same time, there's this little part right here in Tampa. We call it Malfunction Junction for a reason. It's where, like, the two major interstates within Florida meet. And, like, it's 2 lanes of street. Like, how? I hate this. I know better. I'm getting off as soon as I can. Wait a minute. Popeyes. There's a Popeyes at this exit. Ooh, I'm craving a Popeye chicken sandwich. I've been craving it. Yes, can I get a spicy chicken sandwich meal, please? All that for that. All right, so I finally found some. Let's go fix the motorcycle. See, kids, aren't motorcycles fun? Now that's out of my mouth. Put this in my mouth. I love that watching people eat on the internet. It's called mukbang. Because it sounds like some really dirty anime porn and it's like, no, just really watching people be gluttonous. Been craving this all week. snap rings win again. It's nighttime now, basically, which means I'm gonna finish this with the headlamp because I want to get it done. Thanks. All right, so let's get this done. Snap ring pliers, magnet with new snap rings. Get this over with. Magnets, how do they work? That was drastically easier. Let's try it again. Your snap rings. I hate you.